Everyone tells you to buy the biggest name in CRM. They're wrong. In the AI-first era, big doesn't mean powerful, it means bloated. And that bloat is killing your team's actual productivity. Look, I've spent the last 3 years auditing sales stacks for B2B founders and scaling operators. I've seen the same pattern over and over. Companies paying 6 figures for software that their sales reps actually hate using. The gap between legacy CRMs and AI-native tools is widening fast. If you're still focusing on data entry instead of deal closing, you're losing. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why your current CRM will be obsolete by 2026. I'm breaking down the 3 AI-first criteria every sales director needs to demand, and the specific tools that actually automate the grunt work instead of just adding more buttons. Stop paying for bloat. Let's build a system that actually closes deals. You did what the experts told you. You bought the industry standard. You spent 6 months and tens of thousands of dollars on implementation. But look at your team. Are they spending their day closing deals, or are they acting as highly paid data entry clerks? This is the CRM tax. It's the hidden cost of bloated software. Every minute your rep spends manually updating a lead status or logging a call is a minute they aren't selling. And here is the dirty secret. Most of the AI features your current provider is bragging about, they're just fancy wrappers. They aren't fixing the core problem. They're just adding another layer of complexity to a system that was fundamentally designed in the 2000s. By 2026, this gap will be an abyss. While you're still chasing your team to update the pipeline, your competitors will be using AI-native systems that capture data automatically. They won't be entering data, they'll be reviewing insights. If your CRM feels like a chore, it's because it is. And in an AI-first market, chore-based software is a death sentence for your growth. So what's the alternative? You don't need a bigger database, you need an intelligence layer. The shift we're seeing heading into 2026 is the move from systems of record to systems of action. For a decade, CRMs were just digital filing cabinets. You put data in, and it sat there until a manager asked for a report. That's not a tool, that's a chore. The AI-first CRM doesn't ask your reps to log data. It captures the data autonomously. Let's look at the 3 tiers of the 2026 landscape so you can stop overpaying for bloat. First, the powerhouses. We're talking HubSpot and Salesforce. Now, don't get me wrong. These are the gold standard for a reason. But the trap is buying the enterprise dream when you have a growth reality. HubSpot has pivoted hard into AI, making it a beast for scaling companies that need a full-stack marketing and sales engine. But if you have a team of 5 and you're paying for a 50-person infrastructure, you're not buying power, you're buying a tax on your productivity. Then you have the velocity tools. This is where Pipedrive lives. Pipedrive is for the founder who hates. It's built for one thing, moving a deal from laid to closed. No fluff, no unnecessary modules. In 2026, the best CRM for a solopreneur or a small B2B team isn't the one with the most features. It's the one with the least friction. Finally, we have the systemizers. This is the Monday Sales CRM approach. These tools are different because they blur the line between a CRM and project management. If your sales process doesn't end at the signature, if it involves a complex onboarding or delivery phase, a traditional CRM will fail you. You'll end up jumping between 3 different apps. Monday solves this by making the CRM just one part of the operational flow. Here is the 2026 truth. The manual entry era is dead. If your CRM isn't automatically transcribing your Zoom calls, updating lead stages based on email sentiment, and drafting your follow-ups. You're using a 2015 tool in a 2026 market. Your goal isn't to manage your pipeline. Your goal is to close deals. Stop hiring CRM administrators to manage the software and start hiring sales reps to manage the customers. The winning strategy: choose the tool that disappears into the background. Look, you don't need a tool that requires a full-time admin just to function. You need a system that actually sells. For most of you, HubSpot is the gold standard for scaling. It's where AI meets actual usability. If you're a lean team focused on pure pipeline velocity, Pipedrive is the answer. No bloat, just deals. And for those who want their CRM integrated directly into their operations, Monday Sales CRM is a powerhouse. The result: teams shifting to these AI-first setups are seeing a 30% drop in manual data entry and a massive spike in lead response times. Stop paying for enterprise features you'll never touch. I've put the best deals and trial links for all these tools in the description below. Click through, pick the one that fits your current stage, and stop letting your CRM be the bottleneck.